In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Microsoft Outlook not responding on Windows 11. Whether you're trying to catch up on emails or need to manage your appointments, having Outlook freeze up can be a real hassle. But don't worry, we'll walk through some steps to get everything back to running smoothly. First things first, if you find that Outlook is completely frozen, the initial step is to force close the application. This can be done quickly by using a really useful shortcut. You'll want to press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC all together. This combination will bring up the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, you need to find Microsoft Outlook in the list of currently running applications. When you've located it, click on it, and then select End Task at the bottom right of the window. This action should close down Outlook entirely. After this, simply restart Outlook to see if the issue persists. Next, a critical step in troubleshooting is to try starting Outlook in safe mode. This option is particularly beneficial because it disables any add-ins that might be causing the program to crash. To enter safe mode, press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. Here you'll need to type outlook.exe/safe and press Enter. If Outlook opens normally in safe mode, it's a strong indicator that an add-in is likely behind the trouble you're experiencing. Now it's time to disable those potentially faulty add-ins. Begin by navigating to the File menu at the top left of the Outlook window. From there, go down to Options and then find the Add-ins section on the left-hand menu. At the bottom of this new window, locate and select the option for COM add-ins and then click Go. You'll see a list of all the add-ins currently installed in Outlook. To troubleshoot effectively, uncheck all of these add-ins. Once you've done that, restart Outlook as you normally would. Now, if Outlook functions correctly without any add-ins, the next step will be to identify which specific add-in is causing the problem. Re-enable each add-in one at a time and monitor how Outlook behaves after each one. It may take a little time, but once you find the troublesome add-in, you'll be able to leave it disabled and enjoy a smooth Outlook experience once again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the non-responding issue in Microsoft Outlook on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to managing your emails efficiently. If you encounter any further issues or have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.